How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. So the first step is by clicking on your TikTok app and then click on this plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. Once you have done that, simply click on upload found on the lower right of the screen and then choose the video that you want to upload. For example, I will choose this one. You may click on auto cut, in which TikTok will automatically cut your video. If you don't want that, then you may click on next, wait for it to load, and then you should see all of these options right here. So you may add your text, stickers, etc., or even change the audio right here, enhance the video, and include or edit the privacy settings. Click on next once you have done that, and then that's it. That's how you can upload a video from gallery.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.